Can your organization survive the transition from intuition-based property management to a purely algorithmic competitive landscape? Recent market data indicates the global AI in real estate market is projected to reach over $10 billion by 2030, growing at a staggering 32% compound annual rate. For technology leaders, this isn't just a trend, it is a fundamental re-architecting of how physical assets are valued, traded, and managed. We are witnessing a massive shift where the traditionally slow-to-adopt real estate sector is being forced into a rapid, AI-driven transformation fueled by the availability of rich, disparate data sources and increasingly sophisticated machine learning models. The current state of the industry is defined by what we call the platformization of real estate data. Major technology players are no longer content with siloed tools. They are aggressively acquiring diverse datasets to build comprehensive AI operating systems. Leading analysts point to a strategic pivot from simply digitizing old paperwork to fundamentally redesigning workflows with AI at the core. This is where platforms like AppFolio are becoming essential, providing the unified infrastructure necessary to move beyond legacy systems.